Welcome to Beginnings. Today we're going to count together from 1 to 10. Are you ready? Let's go. 1. Draw one banana. 1 banana. 2. Draw 2 strawberries. 1, 2 strawberries. 3. Draw 3 houses. 1, 2, 3 houses. 4. Draw 4 cars. 1, 2, 3, 4 cars. 5. Draw 5 suns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 suns. 6. Draw 6 flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 flowers. 7. Draw 7 balloons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 balloons. 8. Draw 8 butterflies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 butterflies. 9. Draw 9 donuts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 donuts. 10. Draw 10 pencils. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 pencils. Let's recall from 1 to 10. 1 banana. 2 strawberries. 3 houses. 4 cars. 5 suns. 6 flowers. 7 balloons. 8 butterflies. 9 donuts. 10 pencils. Great counting! You're amazing! Let's keep counting every day. Bye-bye!